Hi, welcome to Prisonic Creations. Today we will be learning how to use Boolean operations in VectorInk. We will be choosing circle as the shape for example. So now we will create a circle, duplicate it, and then select both of them. Now we will check each Boolean operation one by one. We'll check out the unite operation, and after selecting it, we will see that both the circles merge. We've already checked the unite function. Now let's undo it and check out the other operations. Selecting both the circles, let's apply the subtract function. And we can see that after the subtraction, the circle has turned into a crescent moon. To understand this example much better, we will be applying colors to them in the later half. I've already colored the circles and named them as circle 1 and circle 2. Now you might be questioning as to why I've colored them and what is the reason behind it. I will be referring to the circle 1 and circle 2 as 1 and 2. So 1 is below 2 or 2 is above 1. And now let's see how the Boolean functions actually work. By this, basically what I mean is that which one has the upper hand when the functions are played into action. As seen on the screen, 1 is red and 2 is blue. But when we unite them, 2 changes its color to red. Now what if I reverse the positions of circle 1 and circle 2, placing the blue one below and the red one above? Would the actions be the same? Let's check that out. After the reversal of the positions, we can see that the red color circle changes to blue. So therefore, we can also say that the bottom position is dominant over the top position. Now let us take an example for subtraction. So in subtraction, the circle on the top has the upper hand, as in the blue circle is dominant. Now let's reverse the positions of the circle and draw a conclusion out of it. Therefore, as seen on the screen, in the unite function, the bottom decides the color and unifying the shapes. Also in subtraction, the top position decides how the final result will be. Now let us move on to the other two operations. To understand the other two Boolean operations, let us take another shape. And here I've taken a star. So go to the star option, draw a star as big as you want, duplicate it, and now first of all we're taking a non-colored example, but later we will be taking a colored one to understand the positions as to which one among them holds the upper hand in deciding the final image as to what the result will look like. Let's take a star shape, duplicate it, and then select both and apply the exclude function to it. I did try the exclude operation, but it showed no change. So I tried to intersect, and here's the output. To understand it better, let's color both the stars. Change the position to understand the function better. Select each star and add color to it. But make sure that the colors are contrasting for a better differentiation. I've taken red and green. Now select both the stars and choose intersect Boolean function. It does follow the same order like the unite function. By that I meant following the position order for coloring the shape. Intersect follows bottom dominance, where the color of the shape at the bottom is applied to the output. Let's try inverting or sending the green star at the back to confirm our result if it's the same. Now either bring the red star in front or send the green star at the back. It's the same. Now you may ask, why are we taking so many examples when the color can be changed according to the preferences later by selecting the shape? It's just to show how the position affects the color scheme and decides the new shape of the result. Now you may also say that we can still rotate it and get the output the way we like, and that's completely true. Knowing another way of solving your problems or basically getting your desired output fix is what we need, and that's a plus point. So no harm in understanding the working. Hence, proving that the output will have the color of the shape at the bottom, but no issues. As mentioned earlier, you can change it by clicking above the pointed direction and selecting the color you want. And before we end this video, let's understand the exclude function. And as the name suggests, the part that intersects between two shapes is excluded from the final output. As seen on the screen, it also follows bottom dominance. Also, bottom dominance is not the right term to be used, but as long as you understand the concept that the position of the shape decides the color scheme and also the shape of the result. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care, love and peace. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such videos.